China has surprised many people, many economists in the world, because the growth rates that were expected to be more closer to about 2.6%. So this is an unexpected surprise. China has been very fortunate that it has had continuity in its leadership. Economic policies can be engineered to suit that particular political landscape as well. Putting its labor force first, China focused on its labor force where the pandemic broke out. And it very quickly controlled and implemented a very disciplined, controlled environment to control the spread of this epidemic. That was critical for its current success. So on that backdrop, China was able to turn around and contain its economic negative growth rates, which it experienced in the first quarter, and contained it at that point in time. That disciplined approach for its labor force was the most important step that they took, and it proved to be correct. I think other economies can and have learned from that. It's incumbent on all economies to put the health of the individual and the labor force first in order to ensure the long-term sustainability of the inclusive growth is not stifled. And those that handle those priorities in that order will ultimately reap the benefits of higher growth rates, which are essential for improvement of employment and a better lifestyle for its common population.